Is it possible to receive a traffic ticket for holding a phone in a hand you don't have? We'll see.
Talking about the things that you don't want to see your ride-share driver doing. One person texted in, they said, yeah, I had a driver that was chewing tobacco and spitting into the cup, and it took everything I had to not throw up in his back seat.
That wouldn't bother me. Could you smell it? I mean, if I could smell it and it was like all up in my nostril, I think then I'd be upset. But
You're a very tolerant person.
if I couldn't smell it, I don't care what you're doing.
Okay. If spit doesn't bother you, huh? Yeah, a lot of times you can.
Maybe it's different because I'm a girl.
Hello, ma'am. Hey, good morning. I'm Deputy Gasala with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. This is why you're being pulled over. The city of Lake Worth today, we're doing an operation for distracted driver, and you drove past me holding the phone with your right hand, manipulating the...
Personally, I would be questioning everything I thought I saw at this point.
phone. I mean, I saw you with the phone in your hand.
Not. So you want to just call this a day? Or?
I don't want to call it a day. You had a hand up manipulating
You just
the
said
phone.
my right hand.
Well, I thought I saw you with your right hand. You
so
had a
you
hand
didn't.
out. The right hand. I saw you manipulate.
So you didn't.
With the right hand, perhaps not, right? But I saw you.
You didn't see me with my right hand.
Okay, so are you
saying that you saw me with my right hand?
I know what I just said. I know what I just said. I'm asking you now. Did you or not have your phone on your hand?
I did not.
You did not have your phone in your hand?
I did not.
Hand to God, you didn't have your phone in your hand.
Hand to God.
The other hand to God, you don't have your phone in your hand.
Hand to God.
Cool. You have your driver's license, registration, and insurance with you.
I think this is the current one. They're all in the same pile, so it's not. I can find you. And you need insurance too?
Just to get insurance. Who's
My
Mr. Thomas?
husband. There's a cover page for it. I'm trying to find you the card portion.
North Case Shoes, good address for you?
Yes.
Alright, hang tight for me.
He's told that if been in an Uber and feel like their driver was intoxicated.
Business is powering the engine of modern business.
Alright, man. So you're gonna receive a citation for wireless communication device handheld while driving. We gotta put the phone down as we operate a motor vehicle.
Oh, and you put on there that you saw me with my right hand holding it. Yeah?
I did not put that. No, if you want to take it to
But
court.
that's what you said when you pulled me over. Yes,
that's what I said.
That you
Yes.
saw me holding my device with my right hand.
I'm not disagreeing with you. Yes, that's what I said.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. So if you want to take it to court.
And that's what you saw.
That's what I said.
That's
yes.
what you said you saw.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to take it to court, option 5 on the back of the ticket. That's how you take that ticket to court. Do you have any questions for me?
No. Thank you.
Have a good day.
So needless to say, the young lady went to challenge the ticket, but ultimately the deputy requested the citation be dismissed due to lack of evidence.